So we're looking at our problem, and first you did my cart. So how many items were in my cart?
2.
Okay. So you used your 2 chips here to show the 2. What lane should I have checked out in?
You should have checked on this one because you're supposed to only add little numbers and big numbers.
Okay, so because there's 1 to 12 items, and is 2 less than 12? Is the number 2 less than 12?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the other cart, the people who were in front of me, how many items were in their cart?
Well, I'm going to count a different kind of way. So I'm going to count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in their cart.
Are you sure? Because if we look at the numbers and we saw that they had 4 bags of chips. I don't know if we counted that. What could we use? You used the counters to show my items.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did count the bag of chips.
Well, you're counting the boxes, but you're not actually counting the numbers inside the boxes.
So tell me what I need to do.
Well, you're going to figure it out.
Oh, I have no idea.
So if we look at the box with the bag of chips, how many bags of chips are there?
Well, 4.
Okay, so how could we show that?
You could draw their card. No, I'm just going to draw a big 7. Then I'm just going to draw a big card.
Well, what do you want to do? How many counters do you want to use for your bag of chips? How many chips are there?
4.
So you want to use 4. How many counters do you want to use then?
4.
Okay, so let's put 4 counters out here. So we already have 2, so how many more counters do we need?
Okay, so I got a big card now.
So how many bags, so these are the chips. How many counters are here?
4.
So we've got our 4 bags of chips. Then we know that they had 3 cases of pop. So how can we show the 3 cases of pop?
Well, we can draw 3 cases of pop by...
So we're gonna get 3 more counters. Okay. So now we've got their 3 cases of pop. Now what about their 2 bags of pasta?
Pasta. Where? I don't know. Oh, so the 2 ones?
So now we've got 2 more. Okay. Then we saw that they also had...
Stop.
What did they have? They had another 2... They had 1 bag of apples.
Yeah. So, okay, 1 bag of apples. So let's
okay, so
put
there's
that
their 1 bag of
there.
apples.
Put this
And
down
then
here. Okay.
they had... What else did they have? They had 2 bunches of bananas.
2 bunches. Gotta do 2 bunches.
Okay, and finally,
Ice cream.
they had 1 ice cream.
1. Beep.
Okay. Now, how many
count them
items
all
were in their
together?
cart? Yeah, let's
see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay, so what lane should they be in then?
They should be in here
Why?
because they are more than 12 or less.
So, remember when you just told me you're going to tell me how to do it? You just figured out how to do it on your own by using the counters. So let's draw a picture of their cart in the regular
Okay,
lane.
you can put...
Okay, so I'm looking... So far we look at my cart. What lane does my cart go in?
Express.
Why does my cart get to go in the express lane?
Because it's 1 and 12 items.
And how many items do I have in my cart?
2.
So I have 2 items. So is 2 less than 12?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you drew the other people's cart that were in front of me. And how many items are in their cart?
No, 6. 1, 2, 8.
Well, here's the trick. There are 6 things here, but we said there was 4 bags of chips.
And that's...
So is that just 1 item, or is that 4 items?
Oh, I get it.
Okay, now hold on, buddy.
That's what it was. 2 cookies.
They had 2 cookies.
And why erased it? I'm writing the name of...
Okay. So I noticed you guys picked these as your math manipulatives, as the kind of, I guess, the stones. How could you show me 4 bags of chips? What could you do? How could you show me 4 bags of chips?
Put chips on there? Like you just wound them?
So
Put them like
look
around
at, I just want to see what you're doing. So there's our 4 bags of chips. So now you show me your 4 bags of chips. What do you? Now that you show me this, let's put a check mark beside this, so that we know that one's done. So now here we've got, what do we have here? We've got the 1 bag of apples, So let's put. How are you going to show the one bag of apples that's in this cart?
Only one. And let's do
Okay. Excellent. Now, what about?
the 4 ones.
You're going to do the 4 one now? Okay, perfect.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so now we've got the 4 one.
And here's the 1 here. And
So what do we do now that we show the 1?
yeah, now the 3. Oh, there's the 3 right there.
You just did the 3, and now what's left?
2 cookies. Oh, there. Oh, sorry. No, that's the number 1.
So just 1 second, okay?
Number 1.
Okay. So how many did you take out for that?
Just 1 off.
So we want to do 2, so we wanted to do. You got the 2. Okay. So you've got the 4 item, you've got the 3 item. Now we have 2 1 items, so we're missing one more 1 item. So we need.
1.
Okay. Now.
Oh, we just did it.
Okay. So now I look at this. How many items are in their cart? How many items do they have in their cart? How are we going to figure that out?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13.
So what lane should they go in? If they have 13, why that?
Because that's 4. That's less.
13 is more than what number?
12.
12, so they should go in the regular lane.
Does
So let's,
this go in that?
yeah, so let's draw the arrow there.
I'll just do it. I just did it. It doesn't.
So what if I told you that they went in the express lane? Did they go in the right one?
Oh, I get it. Oh.